Good morning children, welcome back. In the previous video I explained unit 6th, right? Simple present tense with some questions, right? With the negative ones we did in 6th unit, and in 7th unit we are doing the questions, and I explained the questions in the previous video in short, and I expected answers from you, and many of you have given the right answers. But still, let us see how the questions are framed with simple present tense. And as you remember, simple present tense does not use a helping verb. It balances itself with the verb and subject. Means if the subject is singular, we make the verb plural, and if the subject is plural, we make the verb singular. Right? Now just look at this table. Here we are talking about use of do and does. So do is a singular verb. It is a singular verb, and does is a plural verb, right? This is singular and this is plural verb. Obviously plural verb will go with singular subject, and singular verb will go with plural subjects, right? So let's see, just look here. There are some pronouns, as we spoke, that these are the pronouns which are used as subjects. They are subjective pronouns, and they all are plurals. They all are plurals. Same way, he, she, it, they are also subjective pronouns, and they are singulars, right? They stand for singular subjects. Now when we are making simple sentence, the positive sentence, we make sentences like I work here, right? We like mangoes. You do lot of work. They have lot of toffees, and so on, right? And with singular, he works. See what happens here? He is singular, so this has become plural, all these. So he works, she likes, it does, it has, and so on, right? So these are the simple sentences, but when we are making a question sentence, how do we make questions? Questions are framed again in two ways. First, by using the question word, and second way is by the helping verb, right? So do is a helping verb and does is its plural form. Okay. So what we'll do, we will just do it this way. Do I work? What have I done here? I work के आगे मैंने क्या लगा दिया? Do. And this do will work as क्या? Do I work? क्या मैं काम करती हूँ? Right? So, do I work? Do we work? Do you like? Do they have? Got it? Does, being a plural, goes with singular subjects. Does he work? Does she like? Does it have? And so on. So children, these are the rules, and now let's just look ahead how we do it. Let us scroll and see how it is done. Just give me a second. Now just look at this word order. Do, does, plus subject, and plus infinitives. Now what are infinitives? Infinitives are the verbs which are not bound with the time. Okay, and in this we have the categories of ing, the continuous form, and we have to plus v1 form. Right now we are talking only about these, though there are some more categories. So do plus subject plus infinitive. Let's see. If we are making the question with do or does, अगर do or does से question बना रहे हैं, do you work in the evening? क्या तुम इवनिंग में काम करते हो? So, do you work in the evening? Do your friends live near here? Near here or near somewhere? Does Chris play tennis? Right? Now, if we add the question word, if we want to add a question word, वो कहाँ लगेगा? वो do does के पहले लगेगा. Where do your parents live? How often do you wash your hair? What does this word mean? How much does it cost to fly to Rome? Got it? So you can see कि जब हम do or does से बना रहे थे, हमने question word नहीं लगाया. यहाँ पे do or does से बनाया तो हमने लगाया means. ये जो part है ये हम जब ही लगाएंगे जब हमें इसकी जरूरत होगी, है ना? क्योंकि do or does means what? क्या? Means the answer will be in yes or no. Right? So when we want the answer in yes or no, we don't have to use these question words. हमें question word लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. और जब हमें आंसर yes no में नहीं चाहिए, we want a descriptive answer or something else yes no के अलावा कोई और आंसर चाहिए, then requirement के according we need to put the question word. Got it? So now let's see use of always, usually and often. ये हमने पहले भी किया था. We'll just revise it once again. Always हमेशा, usually means आम तौर पे, and often अक्सर, right? So let us see where do we place this always, often and usually. It comes always with the main verb के just पहले, right? Do you always have breakfast? Now see, these two are without question words, means it is asking, it is expecting an answer in yes or no. So do you always have breakfast? Does Chris often play tennis? Now see, these two will be either in yes or no. What do you usually do at weekends? Now this is expecting the answer other than yes or no. Yes, no के अलावा है. But see how we have placed these three words. They all are coming just before the main verb, right? Now, what do you do? This is a question. Do means karna. Do means karna. And here we have used do as a helping verb, which means kya. So do can be used in both ways. Okay? What do you do? आप क्या करते हो? Got it? What do you do? I work in bank. We ask now, how do you do? आप कैसे हो? So do can be used as a question word plus actually it means karna. Okay? Do, did, done are the three forms of this word. Now let us scroll and see what is there. We have some exercises. Let's see to the exercises. Write questions with do and does. Okay? And do with plural, does with singular. I like chocolates and you? Do you like chocolates? Okay? I play tennis and you? Now we have to start with you. So, do you play tennis? Right? Tom plays tennis and Anne? Anne is a singular noun. Why we have used do with you? Because you is considered as a plural pronoun. Now, Anne is singular. So, we'll write does. Does Anne play tennis? You live near here and your friends? Now, friends is a plural, right? Plural noun. So, what will we use here? Do. Do your friends live near here? You speak English. And your brother? Now, brother is singular. So, our answer will start with does. Does your brother speak English? I do exercises every morning. And you? Now, you is again plural. So, do you do exercises every morning? Next, Sue often goes away. And Paul? So, our question will start with Paul is a singular noun, right? So, does. Our verb will be does. Does Paul often goes away? I want to be famous. And you? Do you want to be famous? You work hard. And Linda? Does Linda work hard? Okay. Now, let's see the next exercise. That is second. Write questions. Use the words in brackets. Do, does, put the words. Right, children? So, let us check. So, थोड़ा सा ही करके scroll कर देंगे. Use the words in brackets. Where live your parents? Where do your parents live? You early always get up. Do you always get up early? How often TV you watch? Right? So, how often do you, I'll write it here, how often do you watch TV, right? All these answers are given in the book, so I don't need to write it here. I'll just speak out. Fourth, you want wheat for dinner. Sorry, you want what for dinner? So what do you want for dinner? Like your football? Do you like football? Your brother like football? Does your brother like football? What do you do in the evening? What do you do? Here we have to use do. What do you do in the evening? Your sister work where? Where does your sister work? To the cinema often you go. Do you go to the cinema often? Or do you often go to the cinema? What mean this word? What does this word mean? Next, often snow it here. It often snows here. Okay. Next, go usually to bed what time you? So, what time do you usually go to bed? Right? Next, how much to phone New York it cost? So children, I leave all these to you to do them on your own. Our next exercise is complete the questions using these words. As you all know how to do this exercise, still let us see how to do it in short. Quickly we'll just see and we'll move ahead. See, it is given, what do you do? I work at bank. Okay, next, dash it. So, dash it, answer is it's okay. Now you have to decide what should you write here. Do you enjoy it? It's okay. What time dash in the morning? What time do you start in the morning? Dash on Sundays. Do you work on Sundays? Sorry, Saturdays sometimes. How dash to work? So, how much do you like? Yeah, how much do you see? Answer is by bus. So, how do you go to work? Usually by bus. And your husband, what? Dash, dash, dash. He is a teacher. So, and your husband, what does he do? He is a teacher. What? Dash, dash, dash. Answer is science. What does he teach? Got it? Next, dash 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 his job. Yes, he loves it. So does he like his job? So this way you have to make the sentences. I'm again telling you the answers are at the back of your book, but first solve them and then tally your answer and send them to me. Okay, children? So let us scroll again once again, and here there is one more, and that you'll do on your own. Do you watch TV a lot? No, it all depends on your choices. So you will answer in yes or no, and then I don't or I does, that way. Or you can say yes, I do, or no, I don't. Okay? So you have to do this exercise on your own, and I think it's time to end up the video, and we'll meet again in the next class. Till then, children, thank you so much. Have a nice day.